Have you heard the word abbot? It's an important word connected to history and religion. An abbot is the leader of a monastery, responsible for the monks and their community. People often confuse abbot with abbess, which is the female equivalent or leader of a nunnery. Common phrases are the abbot of the monastery or appointed abbot. You might hear abbot leads or abbot presides over. The abbot welcomed visitors. The abbot led the morning prayers. He was a wise abbot who helped his monks. Once a young monk became abbot. He worked hard, cared for his community, and everyone respected him. Think of abbot as a bosses of monks, the head who guides them every day. Now you know what an abbot is. Try to use it today and remember the boss of the monastery.